To every veteran watching this company, this pole, this flag, it's all because of you. You stood for something greater than yourself. You put on the uniform, you stepped away from the comforts of everyday life, the pets, the family dinners, weekends at home, and even your career pursuits because your heart was set on service. You gave up time that cannot be replaced. You faced not only physical risks, but emotional and mental burdens few will ever understand. Also, the rest of us could live freely. You entered spaces most people will never know. Dangerous, demanding, and thankless. You made sacrifices, not for wealth or recognition, but because you believed in this country. That kind of service, that kind of sacrifice deserves honor. It deserves more than just words. I wish there was so much more that we could do, but we want you to know that Atlantic Flag and Pole, we built something with you in mind, a flagpole worthy of your service, one that rises strong and tall, just like the values you defended. Every piece of it is designed to stand the test of time, just like your legacy. This is our promise to you, to never take your sacrifice for granted, to honor it in the way we do business, in what we create and how we serve. And that includes giving something back to you. If you're a veteran, email us your name and a copy of your military ID or other proof of service, and we're gonna send you a special discount code as a small token of our gratitude. And yes, you can combine it with any other offer that we're running at the time because honoring you should never come with limits. So thank you for your courage, for your strength, and for making this flag and the freedom that represents it something we all get to raise with pride. Because of you, we can.